So this is a video for anybody who has rental units. These things break all the time. These are the shelves for refrigerators. This one obviously broke. And I was doing a little research on what this type of plastic is. It is can't see it, but HIPS. It's white on white, so you can't see it, but high impact poly. There it is. HIPS, high impact polystyrene. I was looking up how you weld high impact polystyrene, and the best way to do it is with solvent. You're supposed to put it in like a syringe, but I took some acetone, put it in a dog bowl, let both of these soak in it, just the tips of them soak in it for about 30 seconds, stuck them together, let it sit there for a minute, good as new. Crazy.